Dear students, in this video I am going to explain some basic concepts of geometry that is related to chapter number 11 of your textbook, that is geometry. Okay, so some basic geometrical concepts are like number one, point. Point is just a small dot. Point is a small dot marked by a pencil on a piece of paper. If you just mark a dot with use of pencil or pen, anything on a piece of paper, then it is a point. It is always represented by capital letter of English alphabet. Okay, it will be always represented by the capital letter of English alphabet. Does not have any kind of dimension. Point does not have any kind of dimension. Listen it carefully. I written the definition only. The other explanation I am just speaking that a point does not have any kind of dimension. That means it does not have length, breadth or height. No length, no breadth, no height. So that is a point. Then the next topic is line segment. Line segment. The straight path between 2 points is called a line segment. The straight path between 2 points. Okay, if you join 2 points in a straight path, then you will get a line segment. In the other words, you can say the shortest distance between 2 points is called a line segment. Okay, the shortest distance between 2 points is called line segment. A line segment have two endpoints. In the line segment there are two endpoints, one starting point and second one is ending point. Okay, so a line segment always have two endpoints. It have fixed length. Okay, the length of a line segment is always fixed. The third topic is ray. A line segment extended endlessly in one direction. Endlessly means unlimited. Okay, if I can extend a line segment endlessly in one direction, then it is called a ray. Okay, then it is called a ray. Understood? So it will be extended endlessly in one direction. Okay, that means it does not have any kind of fixed length because it can be extended endlessly in one direction. That's why it is called a ray, and that's why it does not have any fixed length. Okay, and ray has one end point because from one point it will not be extended, from the other side it will be extended endlessly. The examples of rays are sunlight, the rays coming out from a torch. Okay, they all are the examples of rays. Okay, the rays of the sun. Okay, fourth one, line. A line segment extended endlessly in both directions. In both means in both of the two directions, then it is called a line. If I can extend a line segment endlessly in both directions, then it is called line. If only in one direction, then ray. If in both directions, then line. And now as you know that we can extend a line segment in both directions, then it is called line. So it does not have any end point. So line does not have any end point. The next topic, intersecting lines. When two lines meet at a point, then they are called intersecting lines. Just suppose if you draw two lines and they both are meeting at a point, then they are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Understood? And then the next is parallel lines. Parallel lines, when two lines never meet each other on any point, then they are called parallel lines. If there are two lines, they will never ever meet each other. That means if you are extending them endlessly, still they are not meeting each other on any point, then they are called parallel lines. When two lines never meet each other, I written a word never meet. That means if you are extending them endlessly in both the directions, still they are not meeting each other, then they are called parallel lines. And the distance between two parallel lines always remains same. Okay, the distance if at a point the distance between two parallel lines is, let's suppose 5 meter, then at any other point the distance between the two parallel lines will be also 5 meter. If whatever distance is there between two parallel lines, it will remain same on every point, okay, on every places. So the distance between two parallel lines always remains same, it does not change, okay. If it will change, then they will meet, okay. So that's why the distance between two parallel lines always remain same, because they never ever meet each other at any point, okay. So these are few basic concepts of geometry. Some more definitions will be explained in the next video. If you have doubt, then ask me, okay. Thank you.